Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing with you. I have ordered what they call sample boxes from Joyfolie, Joyfolie.com. It is a women's and girls clothing shop online. They sell really beautiful things. My little girl found it by herself online when she was shopping for clothes. I let her pick out her own clothes within reason online. And then I go through, she shows me what she likes, and then I help her decide what we can and can't get depending on the situation or if it fits her school clothing dress code and things like that. Also, sometimes I'll pick out clothes for her online, mostly shoes, and then let her decide, tell me which ones she likes. And so it's a joint process together. And Joyfully has good prices when they run sales. Some of the things are a little bit more, than I would want to spend for us regular retail price, but they run sales frequently. And then this type of sample sale is going to be fun because it's basically like a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get. The way I understand it, this is my first time doing a mystery box with them. Or sample box, is the way I understand it is they will put together a variety of items. I bought a shoe box and a clothing box for little girl sizes. You tell them what size you want. They also have them for women, but I didn't buy anything for myself, and they have other types of boxes, but I got her a shoe sample box and a clothing sample box. The way I understand it is there's going to be, I believe, 6 items of clothing and 4 pairs of shoes. I think the clothing sample box was $75. The shoe sample box was $50. If you spend over $100, you get free shipping, so 70 plus 50 is $125. I'm really interested to see what's in here. My little girl is with her dad this weekend, and when she comes back, I think she's going to be really excited because this is her favorite store. She found this store and introduced me to this online website. So I think she's gonna find it interesting to go through and see what kind of surprises that Joyfully sent us. The sample sale is explained on the website as basically these were sample items that may not have been put into full production. Sorry, my microwave is back there beeping. Hold on, I'm heating up lunch for myself while I do this. Anyway, or these may have been items that were put into modeling shoots and therefore cannot be sold as brand new, that would have been, completely unused or whatever. These were worn perhaps for a modeling shoot on their website. So just really interesting. It's just that fascinating aspect of like, ooh, what's in the box, treasure hunting. So let me show you. So this is how the box looks when you open it. I ordered size 8 to 10. She is actually 9 years old. So some of this may be a little small. Some of it could be just right. And some of it she may have to grow into. We'll see. But for these prices, I didn't mind. Anything that we can't use, I will end up donating to pay it forward. So it's not a concern of mine that everything has to fit perfectly. I feel like at $75 for the price of the clothes retail on their website, even if we only keep, say, half of it, I feel like it would be a reasonable price compared to the retail items online. Now this box, this is probably the shoes. So let me open this. I'm gonna have 2 hands. I can't do it by myself with the filming on the phone. So let me open this and then I'll show you. Okay, just from first glance, I can tell my little girl is gonna love the shoes that are in here. She is just like me in terms of she loves the sparkly items. Oh my goodness, shiny and sparkly. This shoe, this strappy sandal is full of glitter and sparkles and rhinestones. Oh my goodness, she's going to love this so much. This is perfect for her. I ordered size 3. You can tell them what size that you're aiming for. You can tell this is size 3 in here. Oh, she's gonna be so excited. She's gonna wanna wear that to church. Look at that, she's gonna love it. Okay, next, another sparkly, shiny set of shoes. Oh my goodness, look at those rhinestones. She's gonna feel not even just like a princess, she's gonna feel like a queen. So let's see what else. More shiny, sparkly. Oh, she is gonna love these. She can wear these in summertime. She might even try to wear these out like shopping with me or running errands or whatever. She's gonna love it. Okay, and then the fourth is, oh, these are so pretty. Okay, this is in a nice dust bag, and these are velvet with embroidery. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. That is nice quality right there. She is going to love these. Okay, so let's take a look here with the $50 sample shoebox. Assuming all of these fit her when we try these on, she is going to be over the moon. Look at these. Okay, lots and lots of the types of things that she loves. This is why she loves this website. They sell all these kinds of fancy frou-frou things. So 4 pairs of shoes, and every single one of them is just her style. Also, as a point of information, when you buy from the sample sale, they do tell you on the website, they will mark through the logo. This is so everyone knows if you try to put these on the resale market later that they were not bought at retail from the store. It also helps to prohibit or prevent people trying to return items for full price. So just so you know, it's just a mark put in there on purpose by the company as a security measure. Okay, so I just sliced open the 8 to 10 clothing bag. Let's take a look at what's in here. Again, forgive me, I'm by myself and I'm doing it independently. So I need 2 hands to pull the clothes out of this bag. I'm gonna pull them out and then show you the items one by one. Okay, this first item is a Mia Joy size 8 coat, and it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's got the ties. Ignore my dishes in the sink back there. I'm a real mom and sometimes I really get behind on my dishes. But look at this cute, beautiful red coat. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I love this with the tie, and it's lined. It looks so nice. Let's see, polyester and spandex. And so look at all of this. That is so pretty. And then I think this is a snap, so we don't have to worry about any fussy buttons or anything. She can just snap it. Oh, that is nice. This says Mia Joy size 8, and it is an Ava printed dress in red floral. So I'm gonna take it out of the package and show you what that looks like. Okay, so she's gonna love this too. This is a short sleeve dress. It's got ruffles on the sleeves. There goes my microwave again. She's gonna love that. And then down here, it's got this asymmetrical hemline. So very cute. And I think just looking at it, I think she'll be able to wear it for a little bit to church or something before she fully outgrows it. We'll give it a shot and see. If not, like I said, we'll donate. This says Bethany dress in Dusty Orchid size 6. I really don't think she'll be able to wear this, but it is a beautiful color. But this says, right down here, it says 8, so I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to get in here, open this plastic up and see. Okay, so hope is alive after all. This tag says size 8, and the tag inside the dress says size 8. This is warm, and it looks like it's probably 3/4 length sleeves, and it looks really super comfortable. It is so soft. I wish you could feel this. It's like sweater material, and then in the middle it's got like, and right here on the sleeves it's got like that sweatshirt type of material, the stretchy material that's at the seams and at the hems. So this would be super, super comfortable. She's the kind of girl that while she does wear shorts and pants, she also likes to dress up. She might even like wear this around the house on the weekend. This is a beautiful dress though. I think she's gonna love it. This is a really long flowy sleeveless dress and it is size 10, so I know this is gonna fit her. If not now, it'll fit her next spring and summer. It's got a gorgeous lace top for the shoulders here. That is really pretty. And then it's got a blue crosshatch stripe design with an asymmetrical hemline and just frills and ruffles everywhere. She is going to love this. This is tall. That may be the main thing holding this up right now, is how tall and long it is. I've got to see how long it is on her, but this is a gorgeous dress. She will be over the moon about that. Okay, this says Casey Jogger 10. Casey Jogger Teal 10. Let's open this up. Okay, these are long jogging pants, size 10, cotton and polyester, and they're very velvety soft. They got that velvety texture, so they'll probably pick up a lot of lint. We'll have to be careful with that, but she's gonna love wearing this. This will be so comfortable this winter. Yeah, she's gonna like that. This says Zara jacket in blue floral, size 10, and it looks fancy schmancy. Look at all these sequins. Shiny, shiny, shiny. She's gonna love it even before I open the bag, I can tell. Let me open it for you. Isn't that so shiny? That is just like her. She is going to love it. Look at this. Okay. So there's floral patterns everywhere, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's different shades of purpley blue type of sequins. On my camera, it looks blue right now, me looking through the viewfinder, but in front of me, in front of my eyes, in person, it looks purple. The tag says blue. Actually, it looks like purple outline with blue, light blue interior type of sequins. Look at that though, and it's like a hook and loop closure, or what do you call that, eyelet closure? Anyway, and then it's got this satiny type of interior design, or what do you call that, liner? But that is the type of closure. She is going to love that. Oh, she is gonna be so happy. So I would say this was a great bargain, and there is a decent chance that all of it might actually fit. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And look, this dress and this jacket, the colors go together. She could wear those together. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 dresses, one gorgeous red winter jacket, one beautiful pair of soft, cozy jogging pants, and then one really fancy jacket. I'm gonna have to take her to church or somewhere fancy to wear that. So anyway, she's gonna love it. I just know it. So thank you all for tagging along with me. I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing. Go to Joyfolie and see if there's anything that you and your little girl might like, or the little girl in your life. And anyway, these are just her types of clothes. She loves them. So I think this is going to be a great surprise for her. So thank you all for stopping in and giving me the time of day. And I hope that you're all doing well. And that's how I'm doing it.